completed. So first we will read the chapter, then in the end of the chapter I will take test. Okay, it's a small 10 questions MCQ test. Okay, same time. I'm going to share the screen and one by one I will ask to read, and you have to explain what it is telling in that paragraph. You have to explain that para. Don't touch the screen. No one will touch the screen. Lots of disturbance is there today. Yes, Samiksha.
Which chapter we are doing?
We are doing chapter number 11, Farm to Kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Nishchay, read this.
Yes, ma'am.
That are highlighted.
Go trade. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम.
हाँ बेटा, there is little disturbance. You read the paragraph. मुझे आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am. Gopi sprayed pesticides to kill the insects. With 2-3 months, the plants were full of green grains. The green grains slowly changed to golden brown. Now the wet crop was ready for harvesting. The cutting of crops from the field is called harvesting.
Now, Mr. Explain the paragraph. What you understood by this paragraph?
मैम किसान है मैम. वो प्लांट्स में से मैम इंसेक्ट्स को मैम दूर कर रहा है.
कैसे दूर कर रहा है?
मैम
By
स्प्रेड से.
by spraying pesticide. And what is pesticide? Pesticides are chemical that are used to kill insects. Okay, all those unwanted insects that eat the crops. So the first step is farmers. Here one farmer named Gopi, what he has done, first he has plugged the field, he has leveled the field, he has plugged the field so that soil got soft. After plugging, he has sowed the seeds in the soil. After sowing, the third step is he has watered the plants, he has watered the seed so that plants come out of that seed. After plant come out, the fourth step is he sprayed the pesticides to kill the insects. Within 2-3 months, the plants were full of green grains. After 2-3 months, the plant is fully developed, the plant is fully matured. In the plant, all the grains are grown. The green grains slowly change to golden brown. अगर आपने फ्रूट्स भी कोई भी फ्रूट देखा होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव सबने मैंगो का प्लांट देखा होगा. एवरीवन हैज, सबके घर के आसपास मैंगो का प्लांट होगा. तो पहले मैंगो कैसे कलर का रहता है? ग्रीन कलर का रहता है. सारे फ्रूट्स ग्रीन कलर के रहते हैं पहले. After they got matured, they changed their color. So in the same way, this green, we are studying about wheat. So पहले वो green grains होते हैं, slowly they change to golden brown. Okay. Now the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. What is harvesting? The cutting of crop. जब वो पूरी तरह से grow हो गए हैं, जब वो golden brown हो गए हैं, अब उसे cut करने की बारी है, तो this cutting, the cutting of crop is called harvesting. Okay. Now next, who will read next paragraph? Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, I want to read the next paragraph. Gopi bought a harvesting machine which cuts the plants and also spreads the grains from the husk. Within 2 days, Gopi harvested the entire amount produced in the farm. Now he has grains of wheat on a side and husk on the other.
Now Samiksha, explain the paragraph.
मैम गोपी बॉट एन हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन
हाँ.
जो गोपी है वो एक हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन बॉट किया क्योंकि उसको प्लांट्स को कट करना था और हर जगह एंड आल्सो स्प्रेड्स द ग्रेन्स और उसको हर जगह ग्रेन्स को ऐसे डाल रहा
Separate
फ्रॉम द हस्क
नहीं है, it's separate and also separate the grain from the husk. If अगर आपने कभी कोई भी फ्रूट देखा होगा, for example banana, banana has a covering, सबके covering होते हैं, so grain also has a covering called husk. Okay, so now we can't eat that husk ना, हम क्या छिलके खाते हैं क्या? नहीं खाते, so we need to separate that husk from the grain. So for separating, he has brought a machine that is called harvesting machine. Using that harvesting machine, grains अलग हो जाते हैं और husk अलग हो जाता है. What is husk? Husk is the covering of that grain. ठीक है, तो हम covering तो नहीं खाएंगे. So husk is grain, wheat of grain is separated by harvesting machine. Okay.
मैम मैं रीड करूं और जो एक्सप्लेन करना बचा है
हाँ, read the second one also.
Gopi will sell both in the market. The grain on grading will change to flour. The flour will be packed into bags.
It's not grading, it's grinding. The grains on grinding.
Into bags of different sizes and sold in the market. We buy.
Okay, Samiksha, bas. So after separating through harvesting machine, he got wheat one side, grain one side, and husk on another side. So he will sell both the things, husk as well as grain. Grain will go to grinding machine. ग्रेन जो है वो ग्राइंड होके क्या बनता है? फ्लावर बनता है. फ्लावर से क्या बनता है? रोटियां बनती है that you eat. The flour will be packed into bags of different sizes and sold in the market. After grinding, the bags are packed and it are sold in the market. Now, we buy these bags of flour from the market to cook our meal. This is how food grow in the farm reaches. इस तरह से हम बैग कहाँ से खरीदते हैं? मार्केट से, सुपर मार्केट से खरीदते हैं और इस तरह से फूड जो है वो फार्म से हमारे किचन तक आता है. This is our chapter farm to kitchen. Now let's recap what are the steps, what are the procedure wheat to produce wheat. Arush, read the next paragraph that I have highlighted.
Okay, ma'am. Let us recap what Gopi did to produce wheat in his farm. First, load and level the soil. Both seeds from the market. Sowed the field of the weeds. Pesticides, harvested the crop. Sold wheat grains in the market.
Okay. So these are the steps to produce wheat grains. Okay. First step is, what is first step? Level the soil. Soil को soft करने के लिए plugging की है and lathering की है. After that, Gopi bought the seeds from the market. अब seeds अगर अच्छे होंगे, then only you will get the fruits good. Okay. After he bought the seeds from the market, he sowed the seeds in the soil. Soil में फिर seeds sow किए. After sowing, he watered the field. He removed the weeds. What is weed? मैंने ये क्लास में बताया था. What is weed? Anyone know the answer? Raise your hand. What is weed? Weed क्या होता है? ये सारुष.
मैम वीट ग्रेन्स होता है जिससे जिससे फ्लोर बनता है.
No, not wheat. WHEAT नहीं, WEED. 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 Weeds means these are unwanted plants. अगर हमने सीड्स वीट का, अगर हमने रोज का प्लांट लगाया है, साथ में और भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स ग्रो देयर, सो ऑल दैट डिफरेंट प्लांट्स we don't need that plant, that are called weeds. The unwanted plants जिनकी जरूरत नहीं है, that unwanted plants are called weeds. Okay, now let us have a look at the tool and machinery used by Gopi to grow the crops. Tractor for plugging and leveling the soil. मैं पूछूंगी कि कौन सा टूल किस पर्पस के लिए यूज हुआ था, कौन सी प्रोसेस के लिए यूज हुआ था. ओके, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. सो ट्रैक्टर फॉर प्लगिंग एंड लेवलिंग द सोइल. सोइल को लेवल करने के लिए और प्लग करने के लिए ट्रैक्टर. ट्यूबवेल टू वाटर द प्लांट. प्लांट्स को वाटर करने के लिए ट्यूबवेल इज यूज्ड. फॉर वीडिंग मीन्स अनवांटेड प्लांट्स को निकालने के लिए रेक. क्या नाम है टूल का? रेक. RAKE, रेक. हैंड वो फॉर डिगिंग एंड वीडिंग. वीडिंग के लिए फिर से अनवांटेड प्लांट्स निकालने के लिए, मिट्टी खोदने के लिए कौन सा टूल यूज हुआ है? हैंड वो. ओके, हैंड वो. पिक मैटॉक फॉर डिगिंग एंड वीडिंग. अगेन 3 types of tools are used for weeding: rake, hand hoe and pick mattock. Okay. Now next is pesticides sprayer. Pesticide sprayer for spraying pesticides. Pesticide spray करने के लिए obviously sprayer use करेंगे. Okay. Harvesting machine is used for cutting the crops from the field and also separating the grains from the husk. हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन 2 चीजों के लिए यूज हो रही है. एक तो क्रॉप कट करने के लिए और क्रॉप्स को, ग्रेन और हस्क को सेपरेट करने के लिए भी. ओके, हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन इज यूज्ड फॉर कटिंग द क्रॉप्स एज वेल एज फॉर सेपरेटिंग ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द हस्क. क्लियर ना काव्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Most of the raw materials required us in the kitchen to cook our meals from the farms. The farmers grow cereals, spices, vegetables for us and sell them in the market. We purchase these and use them in the kitchen to cook our meal.
So explain करो क्या बोल रहा है इस पैराग्राफ में. काव्या,
Ma'am?
explain this paragraph that you have learned just now. Read, जो अभी read किया वो explain करो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ज्यादा से ज्यादा रॉ मटेरियल यूज्ड होते हैं किचन में टू कुक आवर मील.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा.
Farmers.
Okay, wait काव्या.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. So most of the item that we use in kitchen, it comes from farm. Okay, spices, vegetables, fruits, cereals, grains, all these things that comes from farm. Okay, the farmers produce all these things in their farm and they sell them in the market, and we purchase these things from the market, and in this way from the farm it comes to our kitchen. and we cook and we enjoy our meal. Now, we are not going to read this. Let us see how your mother is able to make आलू पराठा. आलू पराठा की स्टेप्स, कैसे आलू पराठा हमारे किचन में बनता है. A farmer sow potato in the field. In the first picture, you can see farmer is sowing potato. In the first picture, you can see farmer is sowing potato in the field. Second step, he takes out the fully grown potato from the plant. After few days, he take out fully grown potatoes from the farm. After the potato is fully grown, he sells the fully grown potato in the market. Our mother goes to the market. Mother buys the potato from the market. Correct? She boils the potato. Potato को boil करते हैं. Then he peels the potato. She peels the potato and mix salts and spices in that mixture. She knead the flour dough to make a dough. She needs flour to make a dough. The potato mix is filled in small balls of the dough and rolled out into parathas. Okay. So she has prepared two things. Means she has prepared one potato mixture. So she got potato from the farm and she kneaded a dough. Dough किससे knead किया? From flour. Flour means किससे बनता है? Wheat से. So wheat कहाँ से आया? Again from farm. So she got potato mixture and flour, that dough. Both the things that come from farm. Okay. She rolled out paratha out of it. Mother then fries them in little oil over an iron tawa. किससे फ्राई किया? ऑयल से फ्राई किया ओवर एंड तवा के ऊपर. ओके. नाउ स्पाइसेस ऐड टू द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड. विदाउट स्पाइस, अगर स्पाइस नहीं होंगे तो क्या हमें टेस्टी लगेगा खाना? अगर सॉल्ट नहीं डालें, मिर्ची नहीं डालेंगे तो कोई खाना चाहेगा क्या? खाना नहीं अच्छा लगेगा ना. यहाँ पे यस गाता. What happened?
Ma'am, ma'am, I will read.
Read this. Wait a minute. Read the next paragraph.
Spices add to the taste of food that they are used in small
Small
quantities,
quantities.
but that change the flavor and taste of food. India is famous for its spices all over the world. Some of the important spices used in the kitchen are given on the next page.
Okay. So India is very famous all over the world. Why it is famous? Because it is famous for its spices. Different type of a variety of spices are grown in our country, India. So India is famous all over the world for its spices. And spices, what spices do? They add flavor, they add taste to the food. So some of the important spices are cardamom. In Hindi it is called elaichi. Cumin, in Hindi it is called jeera. Fennel, in Hindi it is called sauf. Cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, red pepper, and turmeric. Okay, these are the spices, few important spices, but there are many more variety. ये तो बहुत थोड़े से हैं, but there are very variety of spices that are grown in our country, India. Spices like cardamom, fenugreek, fennel, cloves, and cinnamon can be recognized just by smelling them. इनका सब every spice have different smell, different taste. So we can recognize cardamom, fenugreek just by their smell. Black pepper and red pepper are pungent in taste. Black pepper और red pepper they are pungent in taste. उनका taste कैसा होता है? Pungent होता है. They are added to food in very small quantity. इनका we as they have pungent taste, we can't add them in a large quantity. So they are added in food in very small quantity. Turmeric is a type of spice that gives yellow color to the food, and it is very important spice. In India it is used in very large amount. Why? Because it also kills germs that are present in food. It is antibacterial. Its property, it have antibacterial property. Okay, so turmeric gives yellow color to food and it also kills germ. Black pepper and red pepper are pungent in taste. इनका taste कैसा होता है? Pungent होता है. Okay. Yes, sorry, what happened?
मैम गलती से उठ गया था.
Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, pungent meaning is?
In last class also I told what is the meaning of pungent. बताओ. कौन बताएगा what is the meaning of pungent? In last,
Ma'am,
you only ask Samiksha. बताओ.
ma'am, spices.
Pungent means spices. Means इनका black pepper and red pepper. What do you mean by pepper? Yes, Molly.
Can I tell answer?
हाँ मौली बताओ.
Ma'am, hot and spicy taste.
हाँ करेक्ट. स्ट्रॉन्ग, जिनका टेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, मतलब अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी डाले तो वो उनके ऊपर बाकी सब चीजों के ऊपर एम्पावर करे. Those although pungent means very okay, very hot and spicy. Okay, so here our chapter 11 is complete. Let's now I will share the link. Through that link you can give the test. I will send one link here in chat box. You have to click on that link. अभी तक जैसे टेस्ट लिया है, सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट टेस्ट एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. Yes, what happened? Lower down your hand, everyone. I have not sent it link. मैं अभी भेजूंगी. Here is the link. अभी भेजा है मैंने link. Check the chat box. Total 15 participants are there. Means 15 students are there. So I should get 15 answers. Answers from 15 students, all 15 students. You have only 10 minutes. And only 10 questions are there. So किसी को भी ज़्यादा time नहीं लगना चाहिए. Only 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes you have to complete the test. 10 MCQ questions are there. Question number 1 is India is famous for dash all over the world. Vegetables, spices, clothes or fruit. Second is Gopi plugged his field with the help of his bullock, tractor और hand hoe. Plugged किससे किया था field को? Bullock, tractor और hand hoe. Farmers spray dash in the field to kill the insect. Fungicide, weedicide or pesticide. What farmers spray? Fungicide, weedicide or pesticide. Next question is harvesting machine can separate grains from the Ronak, you got 3. Where is Ronak? Priyansh, how much you got? Priyansh, कितना मिला आपको?
Ma'am, 6 out of 10.
6 or 3?
Ma'am, 10. 6.
6. Okay. Okay. Yes, Vinamra.
Ma'am, my test is not opening. Ma'am, telling sign in.
So, beta, that's why you have not attended previous class, na? You should have Google account. Go ask your mother or your father or your elder, कोई भी बड़ा भाई या बहन होंगे, उनका Google account पूछो और sign in करो.